What if I told you that anger is not ruining your life? Your reactions are. Every time you feel triggered, offended, or overwhelmed, you're not losing peace because of the world, but because you're handing your power away without realizing it. Stoic philosophy teaches a radical truth. Nothing outside you has the authority to disturb your inner calm unless you allow it. The moment you understand this, your relationship with anger changes forever. The first Stoic rule is to separate the event from the meaning you attach to it. Traffic, insults, delays, or disrespect are neutral facts, but your mind turns them into suffering by creating stories. Once you pause and question those stories, anger weakens instantly. Next, expect imperfection in people. Humans are flawed by nature, and when you stop demanding perfection from others, you stop feeding disappointment and frustration. Stoics train themselves every morning to expect selfishness, ignorance, and mistakes, not to become bitter, but to remain unshaken. Another powerful rule is mastering your inner voice, because anger grows loud when your thoughts spiral unchecked. The first thought is rarely wise, and if you catch it early, you can redirect your emotional path before damage is done. This is where the pause becomes your superpower. Between what happens and how you respond lies a small window of freedom. Breathe, step back, and choose calm over chaos. Stoicism also reminds us not to take anything personally. Insults and harsh words reveal more about the speaker's inner turmoil than your worth. And when you understand that, their power dissolves. Then comes one of the hardest but most liberating lessons. Drop anger quickly. Holding on to it feels justified, but it only burns the one holding it. Letting go is not weakness, it is intelligence. Stoics also believed every obstacle is a teacher. Every setback, delay, or conflict is training you in patience, resilience, or wisdom if you're willing to learn instead of resist. Gratitude strengthens this mindset because peace does not come from life becoming perfect, but from appreciating what already exists. When you stop wishing reality was different, suffering loses its grip. Another core principle is focusing only on what you can control, your thoughts, actions, and responses. Wasting energy on what's beyond your reach is the fastest way to emotional exhaustion. Silence is another underestimated Stoic weapon. Not every provocation deserves a reply, and silence often preserves dignity better than words spoken in anger. Shifting your focus also starves anger, because emotions grow where attention flows. Redirect your mind to growth, purpose, or something meaningful, and anger fades. Patience, simplicity in expectations, and acceptance of impermanence complete the Stoic armor, reminding us that emotions, situations, and pain are temporary. Nothing lasts forever, not even this moment of frustration. When you embrace that truth, anger stops feeling powerful and starts feeling manageable. Stoicism doesn't promise a life without emotions, it offers something far greater, a life where emotions no longer control you. Master these principles and you don't just control anger, you control your life.